Good morning, everybody. Sam and Jake here with Finn's Twins TV, back with another video. And today we're out here on a beautiful trout stream. We got a truck behind us that is full of camping gear. We've been all over the state searching for big trout, and we want to bring you guys along on our last day before we head on back to Georgia. Yeah, this is supposed to be an awesome rainbow trout fishery. Here, there's a lot of big fish in there. Here, they're pretty tricky to catch, but we're going to do our best to get a hook in a few. Absolutely, and it'll make it all worth it. Before we get started, please subscribe to the channel, leave a like on this video, and let's get after him. Let's do it. All right, we're making the trek down to the stream now. I'm gonna start off with this neat little articulating streamer right here. What makes this stream so unique is I've got a dam right here on my right, and this water comes out of the bottom of this lake that's on the other side of the dam and provides some real cold water into this stream, and it holds some good sized rainbow trout. So start off with the streamer, and there should be some hatches later on in the day that hopefully we can take advantage of. All right, so we're gonna start off down here right by the dam. Ooh, just had a bite. This should be a good one. Dang, that would have been a good start. Hooked up, guys. First one of the day, a nice one. So I get down here to them. Oh, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Super loud in here, but first one of the day. Beautiful little rainbow trout on the streamer. I love it. Now these fish out here are kind of finicky. It's real clear water, so we're gonna try and just ease around in some of these holes, and we can find some more good rainbows in here. Oh, big one. Oh, it came off. God, that was a giant. Oh, no. Dang it, guys. I knew he was in here. He was sitting right on that eddy right here. Big one. I just didn't get a good hook set into him. Man. I'll tell you what, guys, coming through these little streams like this with streamers is so neat to me. Pretty fast moving water, but I think there's some bait fish coming down this stream. That one on the streamer. Good one. Man, good fish right here. Been wanting one on the streamer, and finally had one come eat it. Beautiful fish right here. Get in here, baby. Oh yeah, good fish right there. Finally had another one on the streamer, and it is a fat one right here. Awesome. I've been running up this little stream right here. I've seen a lot of fish, but it's been tough to get them to commit to this streamer with these clear skies. Really a cloudy sky with a little bit of rain sort of bait, but got one to commit. There we go, guys. Beautiful, beautiful rainbow trout right here. Awesome. It is so exciting getting them to come up and eat that streamer, man. All right, guys, my buddy just called on the walkie-talkie and said he's got a giant. So we're gonna run back here and see what he hooked into it. Take a couple pictures for him. Dude, freaking giant. Holy cow. Beauty, man. Cool. That's a big one right there. Hooked up. There we go. on the nymph rig. Heck yeah. Beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful. Nice. There we go. Another beautiful rainbow. On the nymph rig, we changed it up a little bit. I was throwing the streamer earlier, and I think we just have too much sunlight today. So when with the nymph rig, I've got a little indicator, and I'm just drifting it through some of these holes. And sure enough, that one came up and nailed it. I love it. There he is. Oh yeah. Big fish, big fish. Oh yeah. Nice freaking fish. Oh, head shaker. Giant. That's a giant. Oh man. Bring me to the whole other side. Come on, fish. Stay on, stay on. Big one on. Giant fish, giant fish. Been throwing the streamer all freaking morning, man. And they stopped biting and swapped over. Second spot, there's a hole right here. Dropped it in there, and what, second or third cast, he came up and smoked it. Took me downstream. I was worried about losing him, but that's amazing. This fish is a giant. Absolute monster rainbow, guys. Out here in Wyoming. This is amazing. We'll release him. Oh, another one. Oh, that one's bigger. Yeah. Oh, he's coming right at me. Nice. Let's go. Beautiful. Giant. Oh! Holy smokes. This is a giant. This might be the biggest fish of my life. Let's go! Beautiful! God, it's a giant! Guys, absolute monster rainbow. Biggest of my life. God, can't believe it. Look at this size of this nymph he just came off of. Oh my goodness. Tiny, 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 tiny little nymph right there. Size 20. And it stayed in this absolute beast. Let's give him some water. All right. No! It's okay. It's okay. Biggest fish of my life, but I landed him, had him in my hands, and we wanted to get some photos with him, put him in the water. I don't like to keep these fish out of the water long at all. And man, he came up and jutted out of that net. But still, incredible fish. Changed up the rig, and once again, we got into a giant rainbow trout down here below this dam. So can't complain. Wish we had some pictures, but we still got some really cool video of it. Another one. Oh, giant. On the streamer. Oh, this fish is gorgeous. Unbelievable. Come on, let's go. Beautiful, beautiful giant trout right there. Unbelievable. Guys, look at that. Beautiful, beautiful rainbow trout. The colors on them is just gorgeous. Out here in these deep holes. Another one on the streamer to close off the day. Beautiful, beautiful trout.